What's going on, comrades? It's your Supreme Leader Aaron here, and today for Gunpla Hangar, we're moving on. We're still sticking around with the Gundam Wing series. We are we're getting close to the final two Gundam kits from the actual series, and this is going to be one of two Oz suits that I'm building in this series, which is Mercurius. Now, Mercurius was one of the suits that was actually utilized by Oz for combat against the Gundams. Like, they actually developed these, and the pilot of this suit was none other than Hiro Yui himself. Him and if I remember correctly, him and Troa Barton piloted both of Mercurius and V8. But this is the Mercurius unit. Now, I love this. I love the design of this, and I love the way this looked in the anime. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like, out of the box and built. So this is WF8 from the Gundam Wing series figure version. Again, this is I call it an HG, but it's more of a no grade. But this is the old school like HG when they didn't have HG, MG, and all that. It was just 144, 100, and so on and so forth. But this is more of like an old school HG. So I can't wait to get this out of the box and get this built. So let's go ahead and just unbox this and get to building. Okay, so here we have the final kit right here, and as you can see, this Mercurius 1144 is a super easy kit to put together. I'm gonna tell you right now, this probably took me about an hour to put together altogether, but it was just so easy to put together. Like, it didn't take, I mean, there wasn't a whole lot of parts to really worry about. Detail wise, this has got a lot of detail for being an old school HG. I'm not gonna lie, this has got a lot of good details on it. And those back pieces right there, those little back funnels, are super loose, so that's kind of the only concern I have. Now here I have them posing with the, here I have those funnels posed, but also have the blaster in hand and the shield. And I'm going to tell you right now, those are great pieces to add to this kit. And I love the fact that they came with it, and I love the fact they were super simple to put together. It really does bring that kit to life there for me. And now here I have it posing with its sword, and I've also got the little the change out on the face shield there. The face shield can turn into like a visor almost, and it exposes the face a little bit, and that looks really cool. I think this is a really cool kit. Those funnels add a little volume to it. It's definitely worth the money that I put into it. I think I paid like $15 off of Amazon for both this and the V8 kit, which is my next kit I'll be doing. So check that out when it comes out next. Alright, comrades, that's it for today's build. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of today's build, or what you'd like to see me build next. You can click on that bell icon. That's going to keep you up to date with what we're doing, when we're doing it, and all that jazz. Check the links in the description for all my awesome friends' awesome works, as well as links to our merch shop where you can pick up some awesome gear for not bad prices, and some of the proceeds do go back to the channel, so it helps out the channel a lot. Also, check out our affiliate, No Name Nerd, where you can snag some awesome esports gear with a great 10% discount by using the channel code Coldbane Games. Again, that's Coldbane Games. The channel name is the coupon code for that. Go snag some awesome esports gear, design it yourself, make your own esports jersey for your own team. You can even make your own merch shop there. And again, super simple, super easy to use. Go check out No Name Nerd. But anyway, comrades, thank y'all so much for watching. Much love, and das vidanya.